Thanks, Dr. Stevens. I really had no idea how much the clouds impacted our weather. Well, now it's time to see how much you've learned, and it's time for you to size up the clouds. Students from the School of International Studies at Meadowbrook in Norfolk, Virginia, will preview Part 1 of this program's hands-on activity.
NASA Connect asked us to show you this program's hands-on activity.
In this activity, you will set up 3 simulated clouds representing 3 different cloud types. You will use different methods to estimate precipitation content in each cloud type. The precipitation from each cloud will be released, and you will compare your estimates with what is actually occurring on the ground.
In addition to learning about weather forecasting, we will also be using math skills like estimation, percentages, averages, and ratios.
You can download a copy of the Educator Guide containing directions and a list of materials from the NASA Connect website.
Teachers should cut a 3/4 inch diameter hole in the center of the bottom of 3 different foam cups. Cover the hole with a Post-it note. Place about 1 ounce of M&Ms in a plastic bag. Twist the bag tightly and tie the excess bag in a knot. Cut off the excess to make a compact bundle. Make a second bag following the same procedure. Select any cup. Pour it about half full of M&Ms. Then add a bundle of M&Ms and fill more loose M&Ms into the cup until it is 3/4 full. The loose M&Ms will represent the amount of precipitation in each cloud. Fill the second cup to about 1/3 full of M&Ms. Fill the third cup to about 1/4 full of M&Ms. Add a bundle of M&Ms and then continue filling with loose M&Ms until the cup is 1/2 full. Secure the lids on the cups by taping the joint with masking tape or transparent tape. Invert the cups and label each cup cloud type X, Y, and Z. Below this, write the actual capacity of the cups chosen. Line up the cups on a table. Students will estimate how many ounces of precipitation each cloud type contains. Write the estimate onto the data sheet. Next, remove the Post-it note and shine a flashlight into the hole. Make a new estimate of how many ounces of precipitation each cloud type contains and record it on your data sheet. Do this for each cloud type. Choose a person to weigh each cloud type cup on a scale. Record the weight ounces. Remember, weight ounces do not equal volume ounces. Once you have collected all of the data, you will revise your precipitation estimate. Based on your data, answer these questions. How does the data compare with your estimates? What factors might cause differences? If you had another cloud type of a different size, would the data collected make for a more accurate precipitation forecast? Discuss these findings with your class.